students, I am MS Mr. Ahmed, teacher of LPM Public School, Kolamaya, Gorakhpur. Dear students, as you know, in the previous video, I have already discussed about the property of triangle. In the property of triangle, I have explained what is triangle and what is the angle of the triangle and interior of the triangle. Now, you know, I have already discussed about the triangle. This is triangle. Triangle means triangle is the closed figure formed by three line segment. This is triangle, and this triangle is made by three line segment AB, BC, and CA. This line segment AB, BC, and C are called side of triangle, and this is the angle BAC, angle ABC, and angle BCE. Is the triangle of the angle of triangle. Now, today I will explain what is the interior and exterior of the triangle. This area, this closed area is called interior of the triangle. This shaded portion is called interior of the triangle. And out of this area is called exterior of the triangle. This portion, all these portions are called exterior of the triangle. Now, so we have already know about the side of triangle and angle of triangle. So, triangle has 6 elements, 3 sides and 3 angles. This angle BAC is known as angle A, and this angle ABC is known as angle B. Angle ACB is known as angle C. It means angle BAC we can say angle A, and angle ABC we can say angle B, and angle ACB we can say angle C. Now, I will define types of triangle. How many types of triangle? First of all, I will define triangle, types of triangle on the basis of size. Types of triangle. Types of triangles on the basis of size. On basis of sides. On the basis of sides. And after this, I will explain types of triangle on the basis of angles. So, type of triangle on the basis of side. First is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. What is the property of equilateral triangle? As you know, it is clear from this name, equilateral. Equi means equal, lateral in sides. It means triangle having equal sides called equilateral triangles. If you consider a triangle A, B, C, if ABC is equilateral triangle, So AB equal BC equal AC. It is clear to you? Now next one is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle? Iso means both sides equal. It means if two sides of any triangle is equal, then the triangle is called isosceles triangle. Suppose that this is triangle A, B, C. If any two sides of this triangle is equal, then this triangle is called isosceles triangle. Now, next one is what? Scalar triangle. Scalar triangle. What is scalar triangle? What is scalar triangle? Means triangle in which all sides are different length. All sides of different length called scalar triangle. Suppose that in this triangle ABC, in AB not equal to BC, not equal to AC, then this is called a scalar triangle. So, dear students, I hope that types of triangle on the basis of side is clear to you. Now, I will explain types of triangle on the basis of angles. 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 In which first one is acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. What is acute angle triangle? What is the property of acute angle triangle? As you, dear students, as you know, it is clear from this name, acute angle triangle. Dear students, as you know, what is acute angle? Acute angle means angle which measurement greater than 0 degree but not less than 90 degree is called acute angle. So, acute angle triangle means triangle in which each angle is acute called acute angle triangle. Suppose that this is acute angle triangle. If ABC is acute angle, then angle A, angle B, angle C must be equal to the less than 90 degree but greater than 0 degree. So acute angle triangle means all angle will be acute in the triangle. Now next one is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Dear students, as you know already that what is right angle? Right angle means angle which is 90 degree. Angle which is 90 degree called right angle triangle. So, what is right angle triangle? Means triangle in which one angle is right angle called right angle triangle. So, if you consider a triangle ABC. This is right angle triangle because you see in this triangle angle ABC is 90 degree. So triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Now third one is obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. obtuse angle triangle. What is obtuse angle triangle? Dear student, as you know, what is obtuse angle? Obtuse angle means angle which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree called obtuse angle. So obtuse angle triangle means triangle in which one angle is obtuse angle called obtuse angle triangle. So this is obtuse angle. We see that this angle ABC in triangle ABC, this angle ABC is obtuse. So this is called obtuse angle triangle. Now next I will define properties of triangle. What is property of triangle? Properties of triangle. Properties of triangle. What is property of triangle? You know, in the previous video I have already told you, and also in this video I have already explained that triangle is a closed figure. Means first property of triangle is closed. Now what is second property? Second property is this sum of this angle and this angle. It means sum of the angle of any triangle is 180 degree. It means if this is triangle, then it is confirmed that sum of angle A and sum of angle B and sum of angle C will be 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C इक्वल 180. इसका मतलब ये स्टूडेंट कि अगर ए बी सी एक ट्रायंगल है तो इसके तीनों एंगल का सम, जैसे एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी प्लस एंगल सी, इस तीनों एंगल का सम 180 होगा. 180 से न तो कम होगा और न तो अधिक होगा. यह जो है मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी इसकी है. नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, इट इज फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, सम ऑफ एंगल, सम ऑफ फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी सम ऑफ एंगल ऑफ a triangle equal 180. Now second property, what is second property? Second important property is sum of length of two sides. Sum of length of two sides is greater than the third side. Means इस दो साइड का सम, ट्रायंगल के किसी भी दो साइड का सम जो है वह थर्ड साइड से ग्रेटर होता है, तभी वो ट्रायंगल का फॉर्मेशन होता है. सम ऑफ लेंथ ऑफ टू साइड्स greater than third side. This is most important property. Means if this is triangle, then sum of AB plus BC greater than AC, AC plus AB greater than BC, BC plus AC greater than AB. Suppose that if you consider a triangle whose sides is 4, 1, 6, then triangle is not possible, because if you add sum of two sides AB and AC, then it will be 4 plus 1, and 4 plus 1 is not greater than 6. So triangle not possible, because property of triangle is most important property of triangle is sum of length of two sides greater than third side. We see that in this triangle sum of AB and AC is not greater than BC, so triangle will not form. इसका मतलब यह है कि ट्रायंगल किसी भी दो साइड का सम वो तीसरे साइड से ग्रेटर होता है। यहाँ पर यह AB का लेंथ क्या है 4 है और AC का लेंथ क्या है 1 है। 4 प्लस 1 को ऐड कर देंगे क्या होगा 5 होगा, और 5 क्या 6 से ग्रेटर नहीं है, इसलिए ट्रायंगल का फॉर्मेशन नहीं होगा। इट इज क्लियर नाउ। अदर प्रॉपर्टीज, other property, exterior property. What is exterior angle property? Exterior angle of property. Dear students, if we stand BC in this side, then this angle is called exterior angle. This is exterior angle, because this angle forms only when this angle form only when after standing BC and makes out exterior of the triangle. So this triangle is called exterior of the triangle. Now what is the value of this exterior angle? Because exterior angle forms if you stand this side, then this angle is called exterior angle. If you stand AB, then this angle is called exterior angle. Then what is the value of this exterior angle? Value of this exterior angle, angle ACB, exterior angle ACB equal sum of interior opposite angle. What is interior opposite angle? This angle A and angle B is the interior opposite angle. And exterior angle A equal interior opposite angle C and angle B. This exterior angle equal interior opposite angle A and angle C. So exterior angle A, exterior angle of a triangle, exterior angle of a triangle equal sum of two interior opposite angle. So dear students, I hope that this is clear to you. Now what is the length, median of triangle and altitude of triangle? What is median of triangle and altitude of triangle? This is triangle ABC, triangle A B C. Median. What is median of a triangle? If you take midpoint of BC D and join AD, then AD is called median of a triangle. It means median of triangle is a line that joins any vertex to the midpoint of opposite sides is called median of a triangle. So if you consider midpoint of AC, then and join E, then B is the median. If you consider midpoint of AB, F and join CF, then CF is the median of triangle. intersecting point of median is called centroid triangle. So I hope that all the definition is clear to you. Next video I will revise exercise. Thank you so much.